Hi, this is Brad Kirby, and welcome to part 2 in our series on using Kanji Flash Pro. In this particular video, we are going to focus on using the test function within the application. And similar to the Flash function that we talked about previously, it is organized by grade level. So let's go ahead and click on grade 1. And what you'll see is a vocabulary word selected at random from a list of vocabulary words for the particular grade level. And each word will contain a kanji character that is being studied as part of the particular grade level. Now, for some of the lower grade levels, you will notice that there will be a lot of hiragana characters. This is because some of the vocabulary words include kanji characters that have not yet been introduced at the specific grade level. So in those cases, the kanji character will appear as hiragana as opposed to its regular kanji form. So in this case, we know that the particular word is nagaiki, and we're going to use the hiragana palette at the bottom of the screen to help us fill in the reading for nagaiki. So we'll start with na and move to ga and enter i and enter ki. Now if we should make a mistake and we need to edit the reading, simply click the back button to remove the last character, or if you need to start over from the beginning, simply press the eraser icon. And in order to check to see whether you entered the reading correctly, simply click the check button. And what you can see here is yes, indeed, the reading was nagaiki for this vocabulary word. It means long life. And you can see a set of statistics at the bottom of the card. Starting from the bottom, what this is telling you is that there are 318 vocabulary words in grade 1. We have completed 4 of those words, and that means we have completed roughly 1% of the vocabulary words for the grade level. And this current test correct and current test incorrect is simply charting the number of correctly answered and incorrectly answered readings for the particular test session. As you can imagine, 318 vocabulary words is a lot. You may not be able to get to them all in one sitting, so you can break that up into multiple tests, and we'll give you a sense for, again, how many you're answering correctly, how many you're answering incorrectly, and what your percentage is. Let's go ahead and return to the front of the card. To advance to the next vocabulary word, simply click the Next button on the screen, or if you prefer the swiping technique, you can swipe from lower right to upper left, just like we did in the Flash section. To return to a previous character, simply press the back button or swipe from the upper left to the lower right. And hopefully you can see that this is a good way for you to practice both new vocabulary words and new kanji readings. It's going to take you a while to get through all of them, but again, practice and persistence is what helps you learn the characters and learn their readings. So this is the end of part 2. We hope this lesson or this tutorial was helpful for you, and please join us again for part 3 and part 4, where we're going to take a look at the vocabulary feature as well as the index feature. Thank you very much.